Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve an ash blonde look, and it's also going to be like a do and a don't because I did make a couple mistakes along the way. So the first thing that you're going to need is these products that I'm showing on the screen. They all come in a box. And so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to section off the hair. One mistake that I made is that I wish I would have colored the hair before I made a wig. Reason being is because I had to go back. You can definitely see the yellow tracks, and it was just too much. So I was like, next time before I do this, because I already have a customer requesting this because I had put it on my Instagram. And so I'm definitely going to be putting the color on there before I make a wig. And so the other mistake, the biggest mistake that I made was not toning the wig. So when I watched a couple of videos, nobody mentioned tone the wig. And so I was just like, oh, okay. I seen someone down in the comments say it, but I was just like, well, like, we probably don't have to tone this wig. Girl, no, tone this darn wig, which means you want to take this, it's too yellow. So you want to take this wig and you want to go ahead and you want to leave it in some purple shampoo. I guess for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Yes, I watched 3, and these were big gurus. And I was just like, bruh, somebody lying. So either they had their lighting was like off or filters or something was on the video because my wig did not come out looking like theirs. As you can see, my wig came out blonde, like ash blonde. Like I look like A1 off of Love It. Is it Love It Hip Hop? I don't know what it's called, but I look like A1. I look like a hot mess with this blonde in my head. Don't let that picture fool you, sis. Like, no, I'm playing. I look kind of cute, but it's too out of my comfort zone. I like dark colors, and so I was just like, oh my goodness, like this blonde was just too much. And so you're just basically going to be doing the same thing throughout the whole head. And I wanted to show you all a close-up of what I was doing. I was going ahead and I was putting just a little bit at the top, and then I was combing it through. I don't know if this really it didn't stain the lace, so I don't know if it was just this method I did or if this product just doesn't stain the lace at all. Yes, the knots did turn a brown, but to me, I felt like it kind of helped. And that is it. That is the only thing you need to do. You just basically apply the product on top of the wig. And so you will definitely see a mistake that I made when it came time to, and this looks silver. I was just like, what in the world? Like, oh my goodness, no. But regardless if it was silver or wet, I was just like, okay, we're good. Until it dried and it did become a blonde, as you can see. I was like, oh sis, nah. Oh, if I did not have to do this review for you all, I would have just threw this wig straight in the trash because I was just like, this is too light. And so the next mistake that I made is applying makeup. So I do have tint spray, but I kind of want to leave that for like my customers when they place their orders. And so I was just like, okay, I'm not going to use any tint spray. I'm going to do what I normally do because this is my first time using 613 Blonde. So I'm like, I'm going to do what I normally do, and I'm just going to put some makeup on the lace. Wrong. Don't do it. Sis, don't do it. Abort mission. Like, I'm so serious. As you can see, it started looking like, well, maybe not now, but you'll be able to see it in a little bit. Yeah, it started looking a hot mess. Like, I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't like this at all. And it was just too late to take it off and start all the way over again. So next time when I do this, I definitely will be using the tint spray to tint the lace. I don't like to touch my business products at all, but yes, if I'm doing 613 Blonde again, I definitely would do that. And so those are a couple mistakes that I made. Everything else was good. And so for the winner of the Fashion Nova gift card, her name is Lachey. I think it's Lachey Bell. I will definitely leave that on the screen. Make sure you contact me, and you will need to provide proof. So I'll let you know what you need. I will let you know what type of screenshot I would need from your YouTube account proving that you are Lachey Bell, because you know we got some scammers out here. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry that it did not come out as planned. I'm not a professional, so sometimes I make mistakes, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. We don't got it all, and I can't say it all, but we just want to